Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to open the controls menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the light button. Once the controls menu appears on the screen, you can use the up and down buttons right here to scroll through it, or basically the touch screen. So scroll through the menu and select the Do Not Disturb mode icon. It looks like this circle with the line inside of it. And this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And once you select this icon, you will see the status of the Do Not Disturb mode. And as you can see, at the moment, it is turned off. And to turn it on, you can simply tap on this icon right here. It will change to on, or you can press the start button, whatever you find more convenient. And once you enable the mode, you will see that the status changed to on, and the icon changed the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can go back to watch face, and that's how you enable the mode. And if you want to disable it, open the quick panel, select the icon again, tap on it or press the start button. The status will change to off, and the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.